That's the problem, is that today we've allowed our deen to be what you and I think. That this is what I think Islam is, and this is what I think Islam is. And no, you know what? I think Islam should be more like this and should be more like that. Hang on. Hang on. The greatest prophet, accompanied with the greatest ummah, followed by the greatest 2 generations to come after them, followed by 1400 years of scholars who gave their lives for this deen. Now all of a sudden, all of this is pushed aside, and Islam has come down to what you and I think? Really? People come to me all the time, brother, what's your opinion on this? My opinion? Excuse the French, who the hell am I to have an opinion? 1400 years of ulama. Now, someone has a bit of a following on Facebook. Someone, mashallah, maybe he's gifted in speech. All of a sudden he feels that his opinion on the matter is important. Well, I have news for you. It doesn't matter what you think. Our religion has been perfected and completed. What matters to us is what the Prophet of Allah said and taught and did and approved. That's what matters to us. His opinion matters. And those Sahaba that followed him because they understood deen the most, that's what's important to you and I.